Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPad and opening settings. This is where accessibility lives. Once done, swipe or scroll to find General, or use the search bar at top and type Accessibility. Make sure the device has at least 20% battery and a stable connection for updates, because some features appear only after an iOS update. If you see General, tap it, but if not, tapping Accessibility from search gets you there faster. This saves time and avoids digging through menus. Now that you're in Accessibility, you'll see categories like Vision, Physical and Motor, Hearing, and Cognitive. Tap Vision for VoiceOver and Zoom, then toggle VoiceOver on to hear interface descriptions, or enable Zoom for screen magnification. These are commonly used. Make adjustments using sliders and rotor settings for speech rate and verbosity. For touch-based controls, open touch or assistive touch and configure sensitivity and gestures. Make sure to test each change briefly so you understand how it alters interaction before moving on. Finish by customizing shortcuts. Scroll down to Accessibility shortcut and pick the features you want to toggle with a triple click of the Home or Top button. This makes changes instant. You can also set back tap or Control Center shortcuts for faster access. If something doesn't respond, restart the iPad first, then check for iOS updates and install them. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings only. That clears customizations without erasing other data. This troubleshooting step usually restores expected behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.